What's up everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Yulia and in today's lesson I'm going to teach you some essential Russian vocabulary that you need to learn if you plan to travel to Russia. So today we're going to learn some of the greetings that are commonly used in my country. You will also learn how to ask for help, how to order food at the restaurant and how to book a hotel room. So are you ready? Let's jump into the lesson. And let's begin our lesson with some greetings. And the first one that you're supposed to use when you meet a person for the first time in your life is "Здравствуйте", "Здравствуйте", which means hello. And by the way, this is a very formal way to greet other people. "Здравствуйте". Repeat after me. "Здравствуйте". You can also say "Доброе утро". Доброе утро, which means good morning, or добрый день, добрый день, which means good afternoon. You can also say добрый вечер, which means good evening. Okay, let's review and please repeat after me. Здравствуйте. Доброе утро. Добрый день. Добрый вечер. Okay, good job. Okay, now imagine that you know a person for a long time or you know him or her well enough. And you can use less formal greetings, which is "Привет", "Приветик", which means hi, hey, hello. Okay, repeat after me. Привет. Приветик. Okay, great job. Now imagine that you want to introduce yourself and you can say "Меня зовут John", which means my name is John. Or I can say "Меня зовут Юля", which means my name is Yulia. And of course it would be nice to say something like "Nice to meet you", right? So you need to say "Приятно с вами познакомиться". Приятно с вами познакомиться, which means nice to meet you. And another person, of course, he or she is supposed to respond. Likewise, right? And in Russian that would be взаимно. Взаимно. So we have приятно познакомиться. Взаимно. Now imagine a situation that you get lost in a big city like Moscow. It can happen. I wish it's not gonna happen to you, but anyway. So you need to ask for help and you can say something like "Вы не могли бы мне, пожалуйста, помочь? Я потерялся". Вы не могли бы мне, пожалуйста, помочь? Я потерялся. Which means, could you please help me? I got lost. Now imagine a different situation. When you're in a shop, you want to buy a drink or something, just whatever. And you need to know the price, right? And you are supposed to say "Сколько это стоит?" Сколько это стоит? Which means how much is it? Сколько это стоит? And it turns out a very expensive thing. So you can reply "Oh, это так дорого! Это так дорого! It's so expensive! I'm not gonna buy this. Я не буду это покупать. I'm not gonna buy this, which means я не буду это покупать. Now you are at a restaurant and you order a drink, tea, coffee, pizza, whatever. And the first phrase that you need to learn is "Принесите, пожалуйста, меню". Принесите, пожалуйста, меню. Which means, could you please bring me the menu? Принесите мне, пожалуйста, меню. Now you're full and you want to pay. And you can say "Принесите мне, пожалуйста, счет". Принесите мне, пожалуйста, счет. And if you want to pay in cash, you can say "Я бы хотел заплатить наличкой". Я бы хотел заплатить наличкой, which means I would like to pay in cash. But if you prefer to pay by credit card, you can also say "Я бы хотел заплатить кредитной карточкой". Я бы хотел заплатить кредитной карточкой, which means I would like to pay by credit card. If you want to praise the waiter, saying that food was just great, it was very delicious, in Russian you would say «Это было очень вкусно», «Это было очень вкусно». Now you are at a hotel room and you don't like it, maybe it's not very comfortable or it's too big or too small and you want to change your room. And you come to the manager and say something like «Мне не нравится моя комната», which means I don't like my room. «Мне не нравится моя комната». Я бы хотел другой номер. Я бы хотел другой номер, which means I would like another room. I would like another room. In Russian, я бы хотел другой номер. Now let's learn how to say thank you in Russian. In Russian, we would say спасибо. Спасибо. If you want to say something like thanks a million, in Russian you would say спасибо большое. Спасибо большое, which means thanks a million. And the last phrases that you're gonna learn today are phrases for saying goodbye. Of course, in Russian, just like in English, we have some more formal phrases and less formal. And the formal one is gonna be до свидания. До свидания, which means goodbye. Or less formal, пока. Пока, which means bye-bye. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you so much for taking time to watch my video. I hope that you enjoyed it and I hope that you learned something. If you would like to watch more videos like this, please consider subscribing. And if you would like to connect with me on social media, you can always find me on Instagram as well as Facebook. Much love and I'll see you in my next videos. Пока!